Hello children, I hope you are all fine and safe at home. Welcome back to maths class. In today's maths class, we are going to learn a topic in geometry, that is perimeter, area and volume. Today's class, let us just concentrate on a topic, perimeter. What do you mean by perimeter? About perimeter you have studied in your 4th standard class. Let us recall that one. What do you mean by perimeter? Yes, perimeter is the sum of lengths of the sides of any figure. Okay, so here are some figures. Yes, the first one you can identify, I think so. It is a triangle. Yes, then some other types of a figure. The figures can be of 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides, 6 sides, 7 sides or any number of sides it may be. So, perimeter means it is the sum of lengths of the sides of any closed figure. Okay. So, here are some examples of the figures whose perimeter we can find out. Okay. Now, here is the next one where we can find the perimeter of a triangle. So, I have given you a triangle ABC. A triangle ABC with length, yes, AB is 5 centimeter, then BC is 8 centimeter and AC is 6 centimeter. Okay, so AB is 5 centimeter. You can say even CB or BC. It is BC 8 centimeter, then CA it is 6 centimeter. Okay, now how to find the perimeter of this? As I have told you, it is the sum of all the sides. So, perimeter of a triangle ABC, yes, it is AB plus BC plus CA. Yes, AB is one of the side of a triangle ABC, then BC is the next, then CA is the next. So, triangle ABC is having 3 sides. Okay. So, perimeter of a triangle ABC is equal to AB plus BC plus CA. Now, let us put the value of these sides. AB is 5 centimeter as you can observe, then BC is 8 centimeter, then CA is 6 centimeter. The sum of this is 19 centimeter. So, therefore, the perimeter of the triangle ABC is 19 centimeter. So, we have to write the centimeter because it is given in centimeter. It is the sides are given in centimeter. So, the perimeter also will have the same unit centimeter. Okay. Then, perimeter of a quadrilateral. What do you mean by a quadrilateral? So, quadrilateral is a figure which is having 4 sides. Okay, which will be having 4 sides. Here is a quadrilateral. We will name the quadrilateral PQRS. Okay, the quadrilateral PQRS and the length. So, PQ is 10 centimeter, QR is 6 centimeter, RS is 10 centimeter, then PS or SP is 6 centimeter. Okay, the sides of the quadrilateral with the different length. Okay, so we need to find the perimeter of this quadrilateral. So, perimeter of the quadrilateral PQRS, that means sum of all the sides. It is very simple. Okay, sum of all the sides. The side, first side PQ plus QR, then RS plus SP. PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP. Okay, then the values of these sides 10 centimeter plus 6 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 6 centimeter. So, the sum will be 32 centimeter. So, perimeter of the quadrilateral PQRS is 32 centimeter. Okay. Now, here is a quadrilateral. We call it with a different name. Yes, the quadrilateral ABCD, which is having 4 sides, as I have told you, quadrilateral means it will be having 4 sides. So, this quadrilateral ABCD is also having a 4 sides and we name it as rectangle. Okay, so we name it as rectangle. So what is the speciality of this quadrilateral? Yes, the speciality of this quadrilateral is the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. What are these opposite sides then? So you can observe AB is one side of the rectangle, BC is the next, CD is the next, and DA is the next. That means there are 4 sides in a rectangle. So AB and CD are opposite to each other. AB side and CD side are opposite to each other. So those two are equal. According to the rectangle rule, it is opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. AB is equal to CD. Then AD is equal to BC, as they are also the opposite sides. Okay, so AD is equal to BC and AB is equal to DC. Okay, now how to find out the perimeter of a rectangle? So the same rectangle we can take ABCD. Okay, so ABCD is a rectangle. AB is of length 6 centimeter, then BC 4 centimeter. Yes, we know the rule, that is opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Therefore, AD should be equal to 4 centimeter and DC it should be equal to 6 centimeter. So, AD should be 4 centimeter, then CD or DC also should be equal to 6 centimeter. So, AB and DC are opposite to each other, AD and BC are opposite to each other. So, opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Remember this rule, it is very important. Then, let us find the perimeter of the rectangle. As we know that perimeter means sum of all the sides. Here also, perimeter of the rectangle ABCD is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Now, let us put the value. Yes, AB is 6 centimeter plus BC is 4 centimeter plus CD is 6 centimeter plus DA is 4 centimeter. Okay. Now, you can observe here in the second step, there are 2 6 centimeter and 2 4 centimeters. Is it not? Yes. So, we can take the 6 centimeters together. So, that we can write it as 2 into 6 centimeter and the 2 4 centimeter taken together. So, we can write in the third step 2 into 6 centimeter plus 2 into 4 centimeter. Okay. Then again you can observe 2 is common. In both the cases 2 is common. So, we can take 2 separate, 2 into, inside the bracket we can put 6 plus 4. Okay. So, 2 into 6 plus 4. If there is no sign between 2 and that bracket, so that means it is multiplication. So, 2 into 6 plus 4. Okay. Then simplification of that one, 2 into, we can write the sum of 6 plus 4, that is 10 centimeter. The final answer, it is 2 tens are 20 centimeter. So, the perimeter of the rectangle ABCD is 20 centimeter. Okay. Then, let us generalize this. We can get a formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle. So, here you can observe AB is the length of the rectangle. The same way we know that AB is opposite to CD. That means CD also is a rectangle's length. Right. So, AB is a length, then CD is also a length. Then AD is the breadth of the rectangle, then BC is the breadth of the rectangle. So, there are 2 lengths and 2 breadths. So, how we can get the formula? So, perimeter of a rectangle ABCD is equal to, as we know that it is a sum of all the sides, then AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, all the sides, sum of all the sides. Now, if we are going to take all the lengths in the one side and the breadth in the other side, Now you can observe AB is the length and CD is also a length. So that two we have taken together plus BC plus DA, both also the breadths. So AB is a length, CD is also a length, plus BC is a breadth and DA is also breadth of the rectangle. Then we have 2 lengths plus 2 breadths. 2 times length plus 2 times breadth we have. So that we can write it in a short, that is 2 into length plus breadth. So perimeter we can write it as 2 into length plus breadth, or we can write in a short form P is equal to 2 into L plus B. Okay, L means length and B means breadth. Okay, very important formula. So we are going to use this formula to solve the problems. Okay, then perimeter of a square. What do you mean by a square? Let us understand that. Here is a square P, Q, R and S. PQRS is a square with length PQ 6 centimeter, then QR 6 centimeter, RS 6 centimeter, then SP 6 centimeter. So by looking into the length itself, you can make out all the sides are equal. So what is the speciality of a square? Yes, all the sides of a square are equal. Okay, all the sides of a square are equal. It has 4 sides, that means all the 4 sides are equal. Okay, so PQ is equal to QR, which is equal to RS and which is equal to SP. So all the sides in the given square, it is 6 centimeter. Okay, now what will be the perimeter of a square? Yes, so perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. 4 into side. So we have 4 sides and multiplied by one of the side gives us the answer of perimeter. Okay. Now here is the square. We will find the perimeter of this square. Perimeter of a square is equal to PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP. Sum of all the sides. Now let us take the formula, which is equal to 4 into side. We know that the perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. So here we can directly put the formula 4 into side. So 4 into one of the side length is 6 centimeter. So 4 into 6. Okay. The answer will be 24 centimeter. So the perimeter of the given square PQRS is 24 centimeter. Okay. Now let us move on with exercise problems. Here is the first one. The closed figure with many sides. Okay. So let us take this figure with different lengths in each of that side. Okay. So we know that the simple rule, perimeter means sum of all the sides. So let us write that one. Perimeter is equal to sum of all the sides. So the length of each of the side, it is 8 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 8 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. The given figure is having 6 sides. Okay, it is having 6 sides. So we have 6 numbers. Okay, the sum of this will be, yes, it is 30 centimeter. The perimeter of the given closed figure is 30 centimeter. Okay. Next one, so one more figure with a different length. So simple, it is perimeter is equal to sum of all the sides. So we have all the numbers written here, the sum of all the numbers. We are going to add all these numbers. The answer will be, yes, the answer will be 36 centimeter. Okay. Then next, find the perimeter of the rectangle. The length of the rectangle is 20 centimeter and breadth is 15 centimeter. So roughly we can have a rectangle. Okay. So A, B, C, D, a rough diagram of a rectangle A, B, C, D. So here you can mention that the length is 20 centimeter and the breadth is 15 centimeter as it is given in the question. Okay. So length is 20 centimeter, length is 20 centimeter and the breadth is 15 centimeter. Okay. Then let us write the solution. We have the formula. Yes, we can make use of the formula. So perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Let us put the values to the formula. So it will be 2 into length is 20 plus breadth is 15. Okay. Then it will be 2 into, we have to solve the numbers which are present inside the bracket first. Okay. So bracket has to be solved first. So 20 plus 15 will be 35, then 2 into 35. So the answer is 70 centimeter. So the perimeter of the given rectangle ABCD is 70 centimeter. Okay. Next one, find the perimeter of the square whose side is 42 millimeter. Okay. In case of a square, it is enough for us if we get one side of the square. Okay. So one side of the square is 42 millimeter. As we know that in the case of a square, all the sides are equal, right? Now, we will have a rough diagram of a square ABCD. Okay, here is a rough diagram of a square. Then, solution. Okay, so we know the formula that perimeter is equal to 4 into side in case of a square. So, 4 into one of the side is 42 millimeter. Let us put that one directly. So 4 into 42, the answer will be 168 millimeter. Okay, the side is in a unit millimeter. Let us put the same unit. It will be 168 millimeter. Okay. Then the next one, find the side of a square whose perimeter is 20 kilometer. So here it is little different problem, a small change in the problem. What is given in the problem? Yes. It is given that the perimeter is 20 kilometer. We have a rough diagram of a square ABCD. You can keep that one and let us try to solve this one. We know that the perimeter of the square will be equal to 4 into side. But we are not going to find the perimeter now. We are going to find the side. Okay. How to find this side? So remember the rule of division. So what we are going to do in case of division? How we decide that this problem is for division? So it is many to 1. So we know the value of many. That means the perimeter is a larger quantity. We know that perimeter is 20. Now we have to find one side. Right? So many to 1. So directly we are going with the division. So then you can write side is equal to perimeter by 4. Perimeter by 4. So we know that the perimeter of the square is 20 kilometer. Let us put that one. So 20 by 4. The answer will be 5 kilometer. So that means the side length is 5 kilometer. Okay. Next problem. A rectangular field is 450 meter long and 318 meter wide. Okay. It is to be fenced with the barbed wire. How much wire will be required? Fencing. It is like fencing a garden or a park. Okay. So, how much wire will be required? Let us have a rough diagram of this. Okay. So, we know that the length is 450 meter and the breadth is 318 meter. So, if that is the rectangular garden or rectangular field, so the length is 450 meter and we know that the opposite sides of a rectangular field or rectangular figure, it is the same. So 450 is one of the side or the length is 450 means the other side length also will be 450 meter. Then the breadth is 318 meter, the next side breadth also will be 318 meter. Okay. Now perimeter of the rectangle, we know the formula, it is 2 into L plus B. L is length, B is breadth. Let us put the values. So 2 into length is 450 plus breadth is 318. Now we have to solve the bracket numbers first. So the answer which should be coming inside the bracket, that is sum of 450 plus 318 is 768. Okay, then 2 into 768, the value will be 1536 meter. Okay, so the value or the length and breadth is given in meter. You have to maintain the same unit. Okay, meter itself. The value will be, or the perimeter is 1536 meter. Okay, then the next problem. 148 meter wire is required to fence a square field. Find one side of the field. Okay, it is from many to one, as I have told you, many to one. Yes, the square field. Let us write the given quantities. Length is, or the length of the wire required to fence the square garden is 148 meter. Okay, then this is the total or the perimeter of the wire. Okay, so that is itself the perimeter, which is 148 meter. Now we need to find one side of the field, or the length of one side of the field. Okay, so we know that perimeter is equal to 4 into side. Now we are going to find the value of side, not the perimeter. We know the value of the perimeter, it is 148 meter. So that means many to 1, right? So we can find the side. Side is equal to perimeter by 4. Okay, so it can be 148 by 4. The length of the side is 37 meter. Okay, the length of one side is 37 meter. Okay, let us move on with the next one. Reena runs along the sides of a square garden which is 85 meter long. If she covers 50 centimeter in one step, how many steps will she take to run once around the garden? Okay, so let us write what is given. Okay, the given quantities, that is the length is 85 meter. 85 meter. Here you can observe the units of the two numbers are different. So the length one, it is 85 meter, and if she covers 50 centimeter, one is meter and another is centimeter. So better we will have both the values or both the numbers in one unit. So for that we need to convert it. Okay. So one step it is 50 centimeter. So we know that 1 meter means 100 centimeter. Therefore 85 meter we can convert into centimeter by multiplying 85 into 100. Okay. So 85 meter is equal to 85 into 100, which will be 8500 centimeter. Okay. 8500 centimeter. Then we know the formula of perimeter. So perimeter is equal to 4 into side. So we need to find out the perimeter of the square garden first. Okay. Now let us write the perimeter, which is equal to 4 into 8500 centimeter. Okay. So perimeter will be 34,000 centimeter. Multiplication of 4 and 8500 gives us the product 34,000 centimeter. Okay. Then we know that Reena covers 50 centimeter in one step. Okay, in one step she covers 50 centimeter. Then the number of steps she will take to run once round the ground will be, yes, it is perimeter by the number of steps. Okay, perimeter by number of steps. So we know the perimeter value, yes, 34,000, and number of steps she is taking, it is 50. Okay, then the number of steps she is taking totally, it is 680 to go one round to the square garden. Okay, so then the number of steps she will take to run once round to the ground is 680 steps. Okay, I hope the idea of perimeter is clear to you. Now let us quickly recapitulate what we have studied in today's class. Okay. So the recapitulation first point or the first important point what we have studied today, it is perimeter. So what do you mean by perimeter? Yes, perimeter is the sum of lengths of the sides of any figure. Okay. Then the perimeter of the rectangle, we know the formula, it is 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. Then the perimeter of a square, which is 4 into side. And also we have solved some exercise problem. So the perimeter idea is more clear, I hope now. Along with this video, I will be attaching the home assignment questions. Solve the home assignment questions in your maths notebook. Thank you children. Hope to see you in the next video.